Hold on. Does that mean this land is going to get some TLC?
Your attention, please.
What is shaking, everyone? Welcome back. Disney made the announcement just a few months ago that Toontown will be getting the brand new Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway attraction that Hollywood Studios is waiting to open at some point. Theirs is supposed to open sometime late this year, if not early 2020. Now, we don't know when Toontown's is going to open, but we do know that they will be getting this attraction. But I have a couple questions with this. Hopefully, some will be answered at D23 this year. Others, we might just have to sit and wait. Now, I don't want to dive into the actual attraction too much because we've done a whole separate video on this, especially where it's going to be located, what it's going to replace. But it is going to replace the Gag Factory, and it is going to go basically behind of where Toontown is now. If you want to see that video, I will make sure to leave that link in the description down below when we broke it down and talked about where Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway is going to go in Toontown. But we have some other pressing issues to talk about in regards to Toontown and what bringing in this attraction means for the land as a whole. Toontown has always been one of those lands that kind of seems like it suffers from a lack of some love. Some guests like it, some guests don't. Some just don't like to walk up to Toontown. Some people don't like that it's all sunny. There's no shade in Toontown, or very little. But not just guests. I mean, guest opinion matter. But Disney always seems to kind of put Toontown on the back burner. It seems like they don't care about it either. Just like some guests don't care about it. You know, it's always suffering from faded paint, from chip paint. Because like I said, there's no shade. There's no shade whatsoever inside of Toontown. It's 100% exposed to the elements. If it's 100 degrees, Toontown's gonna bake. That sun beats down on Toontown. If it pours and rains and hails and anything like that, guess what? It's going to hit Toontown everywhere. And it's supposed to be colorful. It's supposed to be lively. Well, when you do colorful colors, that's redundant. When you do bright colors, the sun will wash out those colors. So Toontown always seems faded. It always seems almost like you're going down to your local amusement park. That's kind of the feeling that you get from Toontown. So if they're bringing in this giant new attraction, this brand new attraction that's supposed to be, state of the art, everything Disney puts out now that's inventive, that is something new, not just repurposing like Emotional Whirlwind. But every time they bring in something new, it's going to be state of the art. So are you really going to put the state of the art attraction, this brand new attraction that's going to draw people, you're going to put this in Toontown? That's drab, dreary, hot as all get out, no shade, colors faded. You really gonna put that in? I don't think so. So that has to mean Toontown's gonna get some love. Toontown is gonna get some TLC finally. They're gonna have to spoof up Toontown. They're gonna have to repaint it. They're gonna have to add some landscape. They're gonna add some trees. They're gonna have to add some shade. I mean, heck, I said it in one of our park videos, I'm not sure when. Just build a dome. Just build a dome right over the top. You could make it sunny. You can make it cloudy. You can make it dark. You can do whatever you want with it. It's a dome. The technology is there. If they're doing everything that they're saying they're going to do with Rise of the Resistance and how advanced that's going to be, build a dome. Disney can do it. Why not? But this means that Toontown is finally going to get some love. It's going to get a new paint job. It's going to get some added work. It's going to have some added features. I mean, Disney is all about these added interactive features. Being able to interact with guests. Being able to Toontown, the fountain. You can step on the little instruments and it makes sound. Toontown was like the innovator of being able to walk around a land and interacting. You could pull the mailbox and it makes a sound. You could pull the little boxes and it makes a sound. You could pull that door, the electric one that scares the crap out of little kids. Toontown is home. Like that was one of the originators of interactive material. We can see more of that. They're going to pump money into Toontown. Because if you're like I said, if you're putting in this new attraction, you've got to go all the way. You can't just drop it in and okay, we're not going to repaint, we're not going to make Toontown look great. Because guess what? People are going to go to Toontown now. It's not going to be an afterthought. I mean, how many times have when I've done park adventure videos and I get super stoked that we're going to Roger Rabbit, because it doesn't happen very often because we don't want to make that walk up the hill. It's hot as all get out. There's no shade. And Toontown always feels lost. It feels drab. It feels dreary. It feels forgotten. It's not going to have that feeling anymore. Or it can't. I mean, it can, but you can't. You can't expect hundreds and thousands of guests to want to ride this attraction if the land itself kind of sucks. I love Toontown. I would never say it sucks, but the paintings suck. The facades are faded and cracking. So to put a new attraction, this brand new attraction, in this land, that only means that Toontown is going to get remodeled. It's going to get a facelift. They're going to add things. I hate to say it, they're probably going to take out the Jolly Trolley just because it's going to be in the way at this point. They're going to take that out. They're probably going to fix the track, so they might make it look like a faux track where it's kind of just drawn on, or you put the railing down so no one trips over the track that's there now. But Toontown is going to get a facelift. And it just dawned on me the other day, I was like, wait, new attraction in Toontown. They're gonna redo Toontown. They're gonna give it a facelift. And I'm super excited. Now, like I said, hasn't been confirmed. None of this has been confirmed outside of the attraction is going in Toontown. But the only logical thing that goes along with that is Toontown is getting some TLC from Disney. So as you can see, I am super excited. I'm uber excited. I'm absolutely ecstatic. I'm at a loss for words. However you want to say it, however you want to twist it, I am super excited that Disney will finally be putting in some time, some effort, some money, some love into Toontown, a land that I grew up loving. I still love it now, even though it's a shell of what it used to be. It doesn't have the bounce house. It doesn't have the Jolly Trolley. You know, it's not nearly what it used to be, but I still love it. And I feel that a lot of guests are that way too. If they've just put in a little bit of money, it go a long way with rejuvenating Toontown and people's feelings about Toontown. So like I said, I'm like 95% sure that Disney will be giving Toontown a facelift. It's just a matter of when. When are they going to build this attraction? When is all this going to happen? Because as of right now, all we know is that the attraction is going in Toontown. It is going behind the Gag Factory, and that's it. So hopefully at D23 they announce when this new attraction is coming, because obviously it's after Marvel Land. It's, you know, kind of down the line a little bit. So hopefully at D23 this year they announce when Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway is going to open, and if in fact Toontown will be getting a facelift. So what is your opinion? Are you as excited as I am at the prospect that Toontown might be getting that TLC that it has deserved for so many years? Do we want it to come back to its former glory? Do we want it to look immaculate? Do you want them to add things into it to make it a destination within Disneyland? This ride is going to draw people. The land itself has to be immaculate as well. So that is going to do it for today, everyone. I hope you all enjoyed. If you haven't done so already, give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when other videos like this or other park adventure videos are uploaded. And as always, if you are at any of the Disney parks, tell Mickey and Minnie I say hi. And I will see you all a little later.